I'm Aditya Goyal. I'm CEO at Ornate Solar. So traditionally, when you see solar installations done on factory roofs or industrial buildings, you would generally have a metal sheet, and that metal sheet would have solar panels mounted on top of them. Why could no one imagine the solar panels to be the roof in itself? We always imagined solar to be an integral part of buildings. So we were building an entire roof for a company which is, we feel, going to be at the cutting edge of the FMCG industry. When we undertook this project, it was a huge challenge. We were doing this at a 20-meter height. It was spread across 45,000 square foot. Since we were building an in-roof system for B.L Agro, it had to be the safest possible system. It had to be reliable to last for 30 years, and it should have been at the cutting edge of technology innovation in solar. When we compared all these parameters across different technologies, we found that there was a perfect sync with Enphase and their microinverters, and it fit perfectly with our vision of building an integrated roof.
जहाँ पर आप बैठे हैं अभी, जो हमने पूरी सोलर पैनल से कवर करी हुई है, उसमें नीचे कोई हमने शीटिंग नहीं लगाई है, जो 100% वाटरप्रूफ है। और अगर आप ये चादर भी लगाते तो 5-6 साल उसकी लाइफ होती है, जबकि ये गारंटी हमने ली है कि 15 साल तक इसमें पानी नहीं लीक करेगा। जो इसमें इन्वर्टर्स लगाए हैं वो एनफेज के हैं। हर पैनल के नीचे हमने एक सिंगल इन्वर्टर लगा रखा है, जो कि पैनल के डीसी करंट को वहीं पर एसी करंट में चेंज करके आगे देता है।
एसी करंट होने के कारण मशीनों की स्टेबिलिटी बढ़ गई है। सोलार पे मूव करने का मेजर रीज़न ये है कि सबसे पहले तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कॉस्ट बढ़ रही है लगातार, तो उसे कंट्रोल करना प्रोडक्शन में सबसे मेजर कॉस्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की होती है। लॉन्ग रन के लिए 25 साल की वारंटी दी है कंपनी वालों ने। डेफिनेटली मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट तो लो है।
In normal inverters, when you connect multiple panels, there is a dependency of one panel with another one. When we talk about microinverters, every panel is working as an individual system. So every panel will give its 100%. So this again gives us a better energy output. There is an Enlighten app. I can see each and every panel. I can see the output of every module.
Builders are always looking for something which is innovative, modular, and they're looking for something which is safe. Enphase provides all these three parameters in their technologies.
Many companies are rewriting their purpose and values to include pillar of sustainability to become net zero in emission. Using renewable energy is one of the most effective ways to achieve such a goal. With this, in the coming years, we will see a substantial rise in solar energy adoption in India.
यहाँ पे 746 किलोवाट का सिस्टम लगा है। 5 या 6 साल बाद अगर आप ROI निकालोगे तो आप जितनी कॉस्ट है वो सारी खत्म हो जाएगी, और फिर आप सेविंग में प्लस प्रॉफिट में आने लगते हो।
The Indian market is now full of technological optimism, and our customers, whether residential or commercial, they want what is smart, reliable, and one that gives the best experience. India is a good value-conscious market. We all want our hard-earned money to be spent wisely. That's why a premium product like Enphase has been so successful in entering and growing in Indian market.
And while it was a huge challenge, we were able to build India's largest integrated roof system, which has been immensely satisfying for us.